Generator shed modification number 1. Got another of those vents, mounted it here up high, opposite of where the inlet is. The inlet vent will be here tomorrow. And then move that booster fan over there as another exhaust. Remember we saw in the first video I had good suction on the inlet without the booster on. So we're going to give this a try as exhaust. It's about 30 degrees today, pretty comparable to the other day at 36. Let's see if there's any difference in the temperature. Inside sensors hanging off that hook just like the last time. Been about 45 minutes now, same length of time as the other day test. Almost 10 degrees cooler inside with that exhaust fan, and the temperature I believe is about 4 degrees cooler outside. So I do believe that booster fan as an exhaust fan has gained a little bit in temperature management. As you can see, I can put my hand on this motor. It's warm, but I mean, in no way hot. And the other day when I did this, this was much, much warmer to the touch when I had that booster fan as an inlet and not an exhaust. So I think that's gonna help out quite a bit. All right, guys, see you next time.